know what I'm saying? Mostly niggas that's running this shit right now, it's on the east, it's Haitian niggas.
I just reloaded. Fucking whores. Hoes, don't know me and my souls. We got dough. Big dough.
Haitian Snap, boss.
Free Maccas on all the real.
You already know, Maccas ZOE. Black boy, you already know. Straight up and down, nigga. Oh.
You motherfuckers who did Bad Boy 2 on us, man. Y'all, hey, this is the real ZOE pound. This is the real ZOE pound. And all that other shit y'all had, man. Oh yeah, we gonna come holler at you soon.
Right now, this our time. Little Haiti concrete, vraiment difficile. C'est pas jouer, c'est pas plaisanterie. L'ambiance n'est pas jamais gazami. Cocktail ZOE.
Yeah, baby. We got guns everywhere.
In the pack, take it up the road. Got some young hungry.
Talking about y'all be coming to the hood. I done took y'all on a little quick journey.
If you want it in life, dog, you take that stand. Never talk on the church.
So, you already know what time it is, nigga. Motherfucking Fort Pierce, motherfucking Florida, my nigga. Understand that, nigga. We out here, nigga.
Better Eyezz represent ZP.
Yeah, Woosh, you know, official, original, ZOE pound.
Bitches doing tricks for that dirty money. We caught the chopper from the jits with that dirty money. I got that dirty money. I got that dirty money. I got these pussy niggas, dirty money.
Haitians do it all, my nigga. You feel me? It's not just what you heard about the crazy shit that niggas do on the streets. We're legit too, my nigga.
ZOE Entertainment, baby. Creative power, we back.
Real nigga shit.
This whole shit. I bet all that shit. The whole shit, man. Real one. Real one now. People die for, man. You heard what niggas say. You feel me? The real people die for, nigga. We was first bitches to fight for you pussy ass crackers talking about free.
Get it how you live, man. All day, nigga, you heard me? Yeah, dig it up and affiliated, man. Like, y'all know this.
It was about time for something brand new, man. So we gonna just something Hightz right now. It's 1/3, it's 1/3, it's 1/3.
Haitian flag, recognize. Yeah, we come in all colors. I'm a little light, but it's all good. I go by the name of LA Smooth, aka La Smooth. Got nothing to prove. Represent Power 96, log on Power 96.
Get down and lay down, niggas.
Vagabond avec cosa.
What it is, gutter gully. We some gutter gully people. It is what it is. We ain't sugarcoat nothing. A lot of radiation and stuff. The mortgage crisis is fucking with us too, and unfinished shit. It's fucking with us here too, man.
My nigga got it. My nigga got it. My niggas got it.
I know y'all done saw that YouTube. I told you, ZOE pound ain't local, nigga. We nationwide.
Snap DVD.
Jet Black and Gospel, rest in peace, Solo below.
You should snap DVD like snapping necks, snapping records. We doing everything we gotta do out here. You already know.
Snapping the industry.
We ain't much come out here on.
Yeah, last
Make sure about some bread though. I used to do shit for free.
The motto is don't get mad, get cash.
Freestyle, en créole, pas parler de style. Style c'est l'argent, sans l'argent pas de style.
It ain't about the fame, man. It ain't about that. It's about the dollars. That's what we want. We pay dues out here.
772 all day, every day, nigga. Do what we do every weekend, nigga. We just ball.
I started flat broke, now I'm popping rubber bands. I know I'm
checking out Haitian Snap DVD. Y'all already know how it's going down.
I got Snap DVD, man. This is Guadayak Revolution, man. Represent for life.
Right, why you see the dollar sign everywhere, represent. It's the Sturge, the real one. And I can now check this out. The Sturge where? Feel me? Your original throwback. Hey.
Previously, right? We're not just niggas coming from over there, coming over here to making it worse. So we actually doing a positive thing. You feel me? Alright.
Artists, they come here, they exploit the hood, do videos. I gotta put something back in the community, put some money into the community, throw some money into one of these community centers or something. You know what I'm talking about?
Haiti, pas fou j'oublie le nom c'est Gato, ZOE representative for life, baby. Free Michael ZOE, rest in peace, solo.
We gonna get in depth tonight though. We about to show y'all some other shit later on. You know what I'm talking about? We gonna show y'all some other shit.
You already know what it is. It's the big boss, Rick Ross, on the 305 in my yayo. It's the Haitian Snap DVD. And saluting all the real Zoes.
It's your boy Papa Duggan right now. Checking it live in Florida. Haitian Snap DVD, nigga, the hottest motherfucking DVD in the motherfucking streets right now.
Yo, it's your boy Red Eyes, the truest, realest thing popping right now with my niggas, the Soap Pound. We in Lil Haiti live, doing it big with the Haitian Snap DVD.
NMHBZ.
And you will find us.
You will find us. You know what I mean?
Go to YouTube at the same time.
You know what I mean?
Just in the lab, you know, we over here, we writing the hits for Diddy's people right quick, but we had to cut that just so I could drop it in for the Haitian snapping DVD. You know what I mean? Going in real big. That's what it is.
White City Riders, Haitian Snap DVDs.
What's up, Haitian Snap DVD? First off, I go by the name of Nacho. For that I don't know out there, I'm the one that did the crunk music for Jim Jones and them. Yes, it was our diplomats.
What up, y'all? It's RP, President Bad Boy. You know how we do it. Make sure y'all get that SNAPTOUT.com, that DVD. Brothers right here, keep it moving. They in Tokyo, they in Canada, they in Haiti, they in Brooklyn. They right here in Miami, right here where we working at. Bad Boy making these hits.
BK, Montreal, Boston, New Jersey, Miami, MIA, yo, holla at me, man. Haitian niggas, man. Rule the motherfucking world, holla at this, man. That's what it is.
I beat your ass with thoughts, think twice about your exes, baby daddy, you didn't go. Mama cried.